Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can check your Capital One card balance or Capital One credit card balance. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So of course, first things first, you have to make sure that your country actually has Capital One, and after that you will of course log into your account, fill in your username, your password, and proceed to signing in. And after you sign in, you will see the account section, and then you will basically just select your credit card. And then, of course, on your home screen, you can see the current balance of your Capital One credit cards as well as the balances of your other Capital One banking accounts, including savings and checking accounts and auto loans. You can also click into your account to see more details about your card, including your available credit limit, minimum payment, and payment due date, and interest rate. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.